Please share this video and the others that you are watching in my channel. Share them to your friends, your WhatsApp group. You just copy the link there, share, you go to share, copy the link, and then share to your friends, share to groups. That is the only way you can assist me, because you are provided with 120 centimeters of solution P of potassium manganate 7, 120 centimeters of 0.5 molar solution Q of oxalic acid, 100 centimeters of solution R containing 0.49 grams of ammonium iron 2 sulfate, and this is the chemical formula in 25 centimeters cube of water. So first note that 0.49 grams is dissolved to form 25 centimeters cube of solution R. Solution Q is 0.05 moles, meaning 0.05 moles is the number of moles in 1 liter. You should know that. Fill the puree with solution P. Pipette 25 centimeters cube of solution R into a conical flask and titrate the solution P against solution R until a permanent pink color just appears. Record your results in table 2 below and repeat the procedure to fill the table. I have filled the table. I know you know how to fill the table. Make sure you have 1 decimal point all through, initial, and then the arithmetic subtraction is correct, and here you will have 4 marks. And then the average, now we do average 0.0 plus 15.1 plus 14.9 divided by 3. This one will be 45 divided by 3, and that is 15.0 centimeters cube. That is our average. So first I want to take you back. For you to avoid confusion, you need to understand which solution is in the pipette, which solution is in the purette. Which solution did you pipette, and which one is in the purette? We have seen that solution P was potassium permanganate acidified. That is the most important thing. And solution R is the iron 2 sulfate. So the ions present for solution R is the iron 2 sulfate. So it is important to know that it is potassium permanganate reacting with the ammonium iron 2 sulfate. Therefore, the first question we have here is that calculate the concentration of solution R in moles per liter. Solution R, which is the iron 2 sulfate. So let us copy the formula here. Now, since we know that the R is the ammonium iron 2 sulfate, the salt here, we can get the RFM of this iron because we have been given the RAM of each element. So once you add everything here, iron is 56, oxygen is 16, like that, you add everything, this one will give you 392. And we know that 0.4 grams of this iron was dissolved, 49 grams was dissolved in 25 centimeters cube. We can get the mass in 1 liter. So we will ask 1,000 centimeters cube will give us which mass? It is 1,000 times 0.49 divided by 25. And this one will give you 19.6 grams per liter. But we know that concentration of a solution in moles per liter means molarity. Concentration of a solution in moles per liter, it means molarity. We know that molarity from this formula is equal to mass in grams per liter divided by RFM. We have mass in grams per liter, which is 19.6 divided by RFM 392. So the molarity is 0.05. Find the number of moles of solution R used. Remember, we used 25. How do you know R? Pipette 25 of solution R. So the volume of R used is 25. So we have the number of moles in 1 liter. 0.05 is the number of moles in a liter, because molarity is the number of moles in 1 liter. So we can say 0.05 is the number of moles in 1,000 centimeters cube. What will be the number of moles of 25 centimeters cube? The one we pipetted and used. So this one will be 25 times 0.05 divided by 1,000. This one is going to give us 0.00125 moles. Or we can as well get the number of, we have the mass of the solution that we had 0.49. We have the RFM, which is 392, and this one will give us 0.0125, because we know moles equal to mass of RFM. Given the ionic equation for the reaction, find the number of moles of solution P. Solution P is the permanganate. The number of moles we have now is the number of the ion, which was R. See, this P. So, but the mole ratio for R, so R to P, the mole ratio is 5 to 1. We have the number of moles of R, which is, given the ionic equation for the reaction, this is the ionic equation, find the number of moles of solution P used. So solution P is the permanganate, solution R is the ion, but we know the number of moles of the ion was 0.05 and the ratio is 5 to 1. So we say 0.00125 is the number of moles in R, which is 5. What will be 1? So that means it is this times this divided by this times 1 divided by 5. That one gives us 0.0025 moles. So this is the moles of the solution P. Determine the concentration of potassium manganate 7 solution P in moles per liter. Moles per liter means molarity. But we know this is the number of moles of the volume used. So 0.0025 is the number of moles that was in 15 centimeters cube, because the volume was 15. Determine the average of P. P was potassium permanganate. The volume is 15. You need to remember that. So if this is the number of moles in 15, a liter 1,000 centimeters cube will contain how many moles? So it is 1,000, 0.0025 divided by 15. This one gives us 0.01667 more. Maisha ni magumu, lakini never give up.